Here's a quick video on installing and taking out the SD card on a GoPro 10. This is a 10 black. So this is your door right here, your battery door. And what happens is you pull this out like this tab, and just kind of pulled down. It takes a little bit of effort, and it's spring loaded. Open that up and your SD card is right there. I have it in currently, so I'll pull this battery out with this tab. And see if I can do this while I'm using the camera. So I pulled it out. It's spring loaded also. So the metal part goes to the right on this. I'm trying to do this while I'm looking through my camera. Big old fingers in the camera. Stick it in that slot and then push down and it pops in like that. That's that. And then if you want to put your battery back in, the battery goes like this. Push that in there, close it back up. That's it.